Now we are coming on question number 4 of exercise 2.7. Question number 4, its first part, 7.9 divided by 1000. Now see here, the 7.9, when we are converting it into fraction, it becomes 79 by 10. And divided by 1000 can be written as 1000 by 1. Now 79 by 10, the sign of division has been converted into sign of multiplication. We will take reciprocal of 1000 by 1, it becomes 1 by 1000. This 79 is being getting multiplied by 1 and this 10 is getting multiplied by 1000. Now 79 ones are 79 and when we are multiplying 10 by 1000 we are getting 10,000. In 10,000 there are 4 zeros, so we'll start counting from the last digit 1, 2. And as there are 4 zeros, so we need 2 digits more. So, and we don't have any digits, so we'll place here 2 zeros more, and before these 2 zeros we will place here decimal. So the answer is 0.0079. Now see its third part, 38.53 divided by 1000. In terms of fraction, 38.53 can be written as 3853 upon 100. Divided by 1000 can be written as 1000 by 1. Now 3853 upon 100, sign of division has been converted into multiplication, and 1000 by 1, we have to take its reciprocal, it becomes 1 by 1000. Now this 3853, 3853 will be multiplied by 1. And this 100 will be multiplied by 1000. So when it is getting multiplied by 1, we are getting 3853 upon. When 100 is getting multiplied by 1000, so after 1 there are 5 zeros. And when we have to convert it into decimal, what we have to do is we'll start counting from the last digit. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we need one more digit, so here we have added 1 0, and before that 0 we have placed here decimal. So the answer is 0.03853. Now come to its fifth part. Fifth part is 0.5 divided by 1000. 0.5 can be written as 5 by 10. Sign of division is here, so division here. 1000 can be written as 1000 by 1. Now 5 by 10, this is 5 by 10. Sign of division has been converted into sign of multiplication. And this 1000 by 1, it can be written as 1 by 1000. Now see here, 5 is getting multiplied by 1 and this 10 is getting multiplied by 1000. So 5 ones are 5 and 10 when getting multiplied by 1000, it is becoming 10,000. Now in 10,000, there are 4 zeros. So we will start counting from the last digit. Last digit is 5 and we need 3 more digits and we don't have. So we'll add 3 zeros and before that we will place here decimal. So the answer is 0.0005. Now after this we are coming on question number 5th, fine. 7 divided by 3.5. Now this 7 can be written as 7 by 1 divided by 3.5. In terms of fraction, it will become 35 by 10. Now this 7 by 1, it will remain as same. The sign of division will be converted into multiplication. And 35 by 10, it can be written as 10 by 35. Using table of 7, we will cancelling it out. 7 ones are and 7 fives are 35. So this 1 is getting multiplied by 10, 1 tens are, and 1 is getting multiplied by 5, 1 fives. 1 tens are 10 and 1 fives are 5. Now we will cancel it out. 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. 2 by 1 and the answer is 2. Come to its fourth part, 30.94 divided by 0.7. 30.94, we are removing the decimal. In place of decimal, we are placing here 1. And as after decimal, there are 2 digits, so we have to add here 2 zeros. It becomes 3094 upon 100. Sign of division is here, so here we are placed sign of division. 0.7 in terms of fraction, it can be written as 7 by 10. Now 3094 upon 100. Sign of division has been converted into sign of multiplication, so we have to take its reciprocal. Reciprocal मतलब उल्टा. तो 10 by 7 का हमारा 7 by 10 का उल्टा हो गया 10 by 7. 7 using table of 7, we are cancelling it out. 7 ones are and here it is 7 fours are 28. तो 30 में से 28 गया, आपका बचा 2, पीछे से आपका 9 आ गया, बन गया 29. अगेन 7 4s are 28. 29 में से 28 गया, बचा 1 और पीछे से 4 आ गया, आपका बन गया 14. तो 7 2s are 14. We are getting here 442. This 442 is being multiplied by 1 and this 10 is getting multiplied by 1. See, this 0 and this 0 are cancelled out, or you can say that using table of 10 we are cancelling it out. 10 ones are 10 and 10 tens are 100. Now this 442 is getting multiplied by 1 and 10 ones are. 442 when multiplied by 1 we are getting 442 and 10 getting multiplied by 1 we are getting 10. Now when we are converting it into decimal, we have 1 0 here, so we'll start counting from the last digit and placed here decimal. Now after this we are coming on 7th part. 7th part is 76.5 divided by 0.15. 76.5 can be written as 765 upon 10. Sign of division is here, so division here. 0.15 in terms of fraction, it can be written as 15 by 100. Now 765 upon 10, it is like this only. Sign of division has been converted into sign of multiplication. When the sign of division is converted into multiplication, we have to take reciprocal of 15 by 100. It becomes 100 by 50. Now using table of 5, I have cancelled it out. 5 3s are 15, and when I am cancelling it using table of 5, see 5 1s are 5. 5 subtracted from 7, we are getting 2. Then here it comes 6, it becomes 26. Then 5 5s are 25. 25 subtracted from 26, we are getting 1, and here there is 5, so it becomes 15. Then 5 3s are 15. So here I have got 1 5 3, and here I have 3. Now using table of 3, I have cancelled it out. 3 1s are, and here 3 5s are 15 and 3 1s are 3. So here I have got 51. This 51 is being multiplied by this 10, and here it is 1 1s are, it will remain only 1. When 51 is getting multiplied by 10, the answer is 510. Now see its 9th part. 2.73 when divided by 1.3. When it is being converted into fraction, it becomes 273 by 100, and 1 divided by 1.3 converted into fraction, it becomes 13 by 10. 273 by 100, 273 by 100. Sign of division has been converted into multiplication. We have to take reciprocal of 13 by 10. It becomes 10 by 30. Now see here, using table of 13, we have cancelled it out. 13 1s, and here see 13 2s are 26. So here I have written 2, and when 26 is subtracted from 27, we are getting 1, and here it is 13, so it becomes 13. So 13 1s are 13. So 21 we are getting, and 21 will get multiplied by this one. 21 1s are, and here it is 10 1s. So we have got 21 1s are 21 and 10 1s are 10. Now this 21 by 10, when it is converted to decimal, it becomes 2.1. Question number 6c. A vehicle covers a distance of 432 km in 2.4 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? Now distance covered in 2.4 liter of petrol, it is given as 43.2 km. I have already told you that if we have to find out distance covered in 1 liter petrol, what we will do is we will divide this 43.2 km by 2.4. Now see here how 43.2 divided by 2.4. 43.2 in terms of fraction, it can be written as 432 divided by 10 divided by 2.4. In terms of fraction, it can be written as 24 by 10. Now 432 divided by 10, and this sign of division has been converted into multiplication. So we have to take reciprocal of this. It becomes 10 by 24. Now we are cancelling it out using table of 2. When we have cancelled it using table of 2, here we are getting 12. 2 12s are 24. And when we have cancelled out here using table of 2, we have got here 216. Now again using table of 2, we have cancelled it out. Here it is 6, and here we have got 108. Again we have cancelled it using table of 3. 3 1s are, and here we have got 18. Now see here, 18 1s are 18 and 1 1s are 1. That's it for today. Thank you.